Hello, everyone. Welcome to our special AMA session. Today, we are thrilled to announce something interesting that's going to transform how innovation happens in Web3. Today, we unveiling the Guru Network Weekly Live Launch Lab program, initiative that bridges the gap between community ideas and their real-world implementation. But first, for those who join us first time, probably we should tell something about us. What's Dex Guru? What's Guru Network? And I believe Evgeny can tell about
Can
us.
do can do the usual thing. I'm basically doing it for every MA session we have, and we're doing those weekly. So as usual, for everyone who just joined us, I'm Evgeny, CEO and founder of Guru Network and serial CTO, as I'm usually describing myself, because in the last 10 years, I've been participating in the launch of more than a dozen of projects, some of them successful, some of them not, some of them exited, and one of them, of course, was initial Dex Guru, which is like trading terminal for DeFi space. We launched 5 years ago, probably 4 years ago, and started from those. We launched other great products like Block Explorers, Data Warehouse. You could still find all those things in our main website, gurunetwork.ai, and other things. And on the way there, we figured out how to launch Web3 applications and Web3 products fast. That's how we got to the idea of developing like Guru framework, which allows everyone to do it. And Guru framework, in our mindset, it lays perfectly into infrastructure of Guru network because it allows people to build more and more ecosystem applications within the Guru network real quick. We actually proposed this idea and started thinking about it about a year and a half ago. It's all started from this white paper, which we published, and it's all got to the point where we developed more and more apps on top of the Guru framework. You can see Dex Guru, you can see Burning Meme, you can see Utopia, you can see community apps launched and running on top of it. And now we come into to the place where sorry, where we would like this technology to be mass adopted. So that's why we actually created a launcher wizard, which you can see in here, allowing everyone to launch their own community app based on the Guru framework. And this community app actually has a preset set of features, which is described in here, Web3 app for the communities, where you can actually engage your audience, monetize it, or you can create quests for them. And it's all what we sell in actually as a community apps B2B. So what we've got right now is a new idea where we would be able to we would have those live sessions, like weekly live sessions, but very focused on launching new ideas on top of Guru framework. It's kind of we're coming back to the idea of Guru builders, which we proposed a year ago, and we asked people to actually submit new ideas and the issues there, and we would actually grab it for execution, and you would have like greater products in the Guru ecosystem. But GitHub is not for everyone, as well as this idea kind of died there. And now we are thinking of more collaborative and dialogue type of reincarnation of it, where our community would be able to propose the ideas, then vote for them. Then we'll have a live session where we are grabbing this idea, spinning up new Guru app for this idea using our launcher. And I would be working on implementation of this idea live, so everyone would see how easy it is to implement different mechanics and different user flows stories, or someone from our team would do this. So to jumpstart it, we've decided to jumpstart it with a new Riddle Hunt, and we put Riddle Hunt 25 in here, but with some interesting twist where before actually diving into Riddle Hunt, a clue for the Riddle Hunt you will see in this video, you would go through the participation of idea flow. And here you can think on an idea, which you basically want to share with us. And then we would have a uh, voting for those ideas published in our community, and that's going to be incentivized voting. The best ideas would have their own rewards, as well as they could be uh, participate in Guru Grants program. And again, it's not like you would be implementing this idea. We would grab the great ideas to our execution and we'll do this live. So it's like you submitting the ideas for future shows and for future live sessions, which we have. New format, new cool things coming in there, and we wanna kind of prove the theory that we can build pretty much anything on top of Guru framework. And again, based on the what Guru framework is and what is not, what kind of ideas those could be. So basically, Guru framework combines all those components together, which you can see on our main web page. And those components including like a data warehouse, which has all the data across 18 chains about liquidity, volume, prices, all those kind of things. There is like Guru AI, which is basically LLM models with particular workflows, which could react on some messages, react on user flows, help user to identify something, or, for example, execute a trading strategy, right? There is like engine, which allows for comprehensive user flows and execution of Web3 transactions, as well as user transactions, as well as different data processing pipelines or AI pipelines. So anything around it, we are more than happy to implement, as well as community-driven activities, because part of Guru framework is basically Telegram bot, which you can have in your group, acting as a moderator in easiest way, or as a participant of the community, or in DMs, it could be your personal broker or assistant or anything like it. So anything around the scope, this field, we are interested in what you guys think on it, and you're more than welcome to submit those things to our new Riddle Hunt, which is available for all Guru DAO NFT holders. So basically, when you come into actions, you switch it from T Guru points to Gurus, and you have a Riddle Hunt, or you need to mint Guru DAO NFT to see it, and then you can participate in Riddle Hunt and submit your idea. And by submitting your idea, we get in your idea in our list, and we'll have voting on those ideas coming next week. And after voting is done, we grab it one and do next live session with this idea in mind and basically implementing it using our framework. So in the end of the day, we'll have more and more services in Guru ecosystem. So I may miss something, or all sounds right?
Well, as always, it was a pretty comprehensive presentation of what's coming. So to sum it up, every week we pick one winning community idea, and So this becomes not about collecting just feedback. It's about transforming your concepts of Web3 users into actual working solution. And it will be done probably, but it's planned for now with live development sessions. So everyone could see how Guru Framework works as a very powerful proxy from idea to solution. And
Yeah, from 0 to 1.
yeah, from 0 to 1. And for you as users, the process is pretty simple and straightforward right now. And it's idea submission. So please join Dex Guru, get your GuruDAO NFT, and then submit your idea. Amount of ideas you can submit isn't limited. So it's not like pick your best idea and submit one. You can submit 10, 20, a lot of plausible ideas. And after that, there will be community voting for it to make it transparent. And
Yeah.
after one idea is voted, there will be live implementation where magic actually will happen.
Yeah, by doing this, we want to kind of turn the table around in regards of like we started from community idea and we proceeded forward with community because you guys voted for it. And for example, everyone who voted for particular implementation for particular service, which is appear in our ecosystem after, would became like partial owner of it, and we polishing things around it. And the main reason to do this is we believe we are ready for this infinite horizontal growth of Guru network ecosystem of applications which are spinned up from the framework. And we want to make this process as transparent as we can, as well as on the way there, we would like to create many educational materials on how to build on top of Guru framework. Uh, that's why we would introduce in this program as well. So go check it out, participate, submit your cool ideas, and the best ones who've been voted on, and then which ones we've got for live sessions would receive Guru grants for development and for marketing. For example, inside those apps, you would have quests again, and those quests, there could be Guru distributed from those grants for everyone who's participating. So great stuff. And after you submitted your idea, you can proceed to your regular riddle hunt as usual, just checking this video. Yeah, it's just a first step in promoting this new kind of activity we would like to introduce in our weekly IMAs and weekly live sessions, as we would be calling them moving forward. And yeah, it's going to be interesting. And we are the builders, and I'm builder myself, so we love building stuff. So and for ourselves and for you guys, especially for our vibrant and cool community.
We have a related question from Kevin. He says that he's using his NFT for staking and can't participate in Riddle Hunt.
That's a good question, actually, because we were talking about this case when we were introducing staking, and I believe we wanted to cover it so everyone who staked would see Riddle Hunt as well. I can I use my NFT for Riddle Hunt too? You should be able to use it because the conditions are supposed to be like you either have NFT or you either stake. But let's just actually double check on this because when we were launching staking in May, we've discussed this, possibilities that you still want to use Guru Chest and at the same time stake, and we should be covering it, but let us double check. Actually, I see Riddle Hunt, and I also used my NFT for staking. So probably it's covered, but let us double check. Good question, Kevin. Thanks for this.
Yeah, thank you, Kevin, for great question as always.
Do we have any other questions?
So we will check on that, but initially, since you are staker, you have to have an access to Riddle Hunt. But yeah, we will double check. Unrelated question: is there any update for Zilli campaign? Zilli campaign began like a week and something ago, and it's just a start. There is some partnership campaigns planned for once, and there is one big hairy reward involved, which isn't announced yet, but it will announced as we will deal with all the partners. So there, of course, will be incentivizing you to participate in our Zilli campaigns and in our partner Zilli campaigns as well. Please stay tuned, and we will announce it on each and every of our social media. All links to our social media, if you are newly joined, are in comments, and on Twitter they are in replies. Yeah, Mukas is repeating this question. What about Zilli campaign update? Is it out already and I miss it or not yet? No, you didn't miss anything yet. Please stay tuned, and it will be announced. Reward about it will be announced a bit later. I believe it will happen this week, but if something will hold us back, probably next week.
I believe Kevin just checked if Riddle Hunt is working for him or not, and he replied that no, it's not working if you staked before and you have NFT in there. Let's us actually double check on this feature, which we've been working in May, and it's supposed to be working. So we'll get it back to you when you would be able to participate in Riddle Hunt and submit your ideas.
By the way, Kevin, please check if you are logged in, because as Evgeny, I have test stake, and in my profile I can see Riddle Hunt as well. So you have to have an access to Riddle Hunt when you're a staker.
Yeah, we'll double check on our side. We'll comment you back.
Thank you for the invaluable feedback as always.
Okay, do we have any other questions? Super.
Well, we don't have new questions on YouTube. Let me check our Discord. No new questions on Discord. Let me check Telegram. And no new questions on Telegram as well.
Okay, thanks for your time, guys. Thanks for interest in Guru Network and Guru Framework and participation in our activities. Oh, we have a question. Right.
Yeah, we have a question from Mukos. Guys, about the AI Guru, have you already decided about the final supply? Well, actually, This initiative about Leave Launch Lab is a first step to test the waters, how AI guru economy will unfold without actual economy attached at first step. But we will test social mechanisms, how it will work out. And after that, we will implement AI Guru economy to the process of creating new apps, promoting these apps, and all the related stuff. Probably Evgeny wants to add something to it.
Yeah, so idea behind the AI Guru was and is basically that you would be able to launch your ecosystem app, and then with AI Guru you can vote for particular app, and that voted AI Guru goes towards the vault of this application. So during those live sessions and now building and if you launch an app with Guru Framework, you would be able to add your application to this list, and then AI Guru can be distributed against those applications and could be distributed in those applications and could be paid for infrastructure of those applications. And that's how the whole economy of AI Guru in future started to work. So those applications basically burn in AI Guru to run. And that's when actual AI Guru value starting to appear when applications are run on top of it as as a gas, as a fuel, and so on. So currently, pure AI Guru, which you got from staking, just a laser, but with all our initiatives, we're getting closer and closer to create an economy of ecosystem applications which would need AI Guru to work. So yeah, and in regards of final supply, it would be always like a dynamic supply of burnt AI Guru by applications versus minted AI Guru from staking. So by staking right now, you basically minting more and more AI Guru, which would have value in future when it's already consumed by the applications and by the communities which are in those applications.
Thank you, Evgeny, for the answer. And Kevin repeats this question: when will we implement AI Guru?
So it's a good question. When, why, and everything I already described. But for when, we would like to have more options in here to basically to vote with your AI Guru. That's why we are launching this program right now, where we'll be building more and more applications with you in a live kind of manner. And I believe we would able to start engaging AI Guru towards our ecosystem in the following 2-3 months, so in around a quarter.
Thank you, Kevin, for your question. Let me check for fresh questions again. Telegram, Discord, YouTube comments, Twitter. Yeah, seems like we don't have new questions.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for your time, and see you next week. We would be voting next week for all those initiatives which you guys would start submitting along with Riddle Hunt.
Thank you for your attention. This submission form lies in dexguru/tasks. You can join it via the web. By the way, we forgot just one thing. In nearest future, you will be able to submit it via Telegram bot, which will help you in the process of submitting by asking additional questions and trying to refine your idea. But not today.
Super.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. And
Thank you for your
see you next
attention.
week.
Thank you for your questions, for your suggestions, and for your support. We will see you next week.